Hi everyone, welcome to Addota Farm, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you on broiler farm versus layer farm, which one is more profitable in Nigeria. Broiler farm versus layer farm, which one is most profitable in Nigeria. Whenever we talk about these two breed of birds, you need to consider your area first, your location, the particular place you are living. You need to consider it first. In that particular area or that geographical area that you're living, they are people demanding for broiler or are people demanding for layers. That should be on your mind before thinking on choosing any of these two breed of poultry bird. If you are living in an area whereby broiler is what people actually demanded for or what people want, then I believe you can start supplying them broiler in that particular area, and you're going to see that people are going to buy the broiler from you. But in an area whereby they are demanding for layers, then I believe you should start rearing layers in that place, because at the end of the term you are going to achieve and you're going to make more money from that particular layers. Let's talk about their maturity state. As we all know, broiler, they actually grow very fast. Their rate of growth is very rapid. They grow very fast compared to layers. But in layers farm, if you are thinking on starting up a layer farm, then you should prepare for a long-term business, because layer is a long-term business. It's not a short-term business like broiler, but broiler is a short-term business. But if you are thinking on making money from the boat you can make money from the boat, but broiler is a short-term business while layer is a long-term business. Let's talk about their level of market. People actually buy broiler compares to layers. But whenever we are talking about reproduction and we are talking about production, then I believe you should go into layers, because layer will actually lays egg and you can start selling their egg. With their egg alone, you can make more money, thousands of naira from their eggs alone. But for broiler, you can't use broiler for egg production. You will only sell broiler whenever broiler they are ready, whenever they are matured, and they complete their life cycle within 4 months. 4 months, broiler is already ready for harvest. Then by that time you will start selling them, start marketing your broiler. But for layers, they will take a whole year before they will actually mature. But if you are thinking on going into this business because of money, then I believe you can start up a layers farm, because layer will actually give you more money compared to broiler. But if you are actually looking for a short-term business that you want to get money from it, then I believe and I will advise you to go into broilers farm. But if you are a particular person that actually want a long-term business that will actually took you some time, some years before you start achieving them, then layer is the best option for you. With layer you can make more money, because their egg alone you make more money. Then at the end of the year you can start selling them again after they have produced their egg. They have produced the egg that they have inside of. You can start selling that particular layers bird again, and people are going to buy it from you. So I decided to actually share this view with you guys, because I discovered that most people are going into layers farming and broilers farming, and they should know the difference between the layers farming and the broilers farming. So please, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like I always said, you subscribing to our YouTube channel is always a joy to us, because we are always happy that we are actually trying to impart knowledge into you guys. We are not perfect yet, but we are trying to become perfect. So instead of you to carry those birds into your farm and start raising them and they'll start dying, we are trying to prevent a way we are trying to give you a knowledge that you are going to apply to your farm for you not to lose all your birds in your farm, and for you to know the difference between broiler layers. In my next video, I'll be dropping the difference between broiler farm and layer farm. Please don't stop subscribing to this YouTube channel, and don't stop liking our videos. Comment so that we will know what your views are, what you have with us, and what you and the things that we actually told you, if you actually like it or not. So please, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 090 68 62 43 090 68 62 and 43. If you have any question, you can ask us. You can join our Telegram, www.Addota Farm. You can share your views with us, and we would love to see you in the next video.